In this tutorial, we'll see how to use NTC Templates Parser within Ansible CLI Parse module. So NTC template is a TextFSM template for network devices. First, we'll take a look into some of the NTC templates. Here inside this directory, we'll be able to see multiple templates for network devices. If you want to see the index of it, we can give index and search for the file. And here we will be able to see the index of all the commands supported in NTC templates. And here we will look for Cisco_iOS. We'll use this particular template for parsing the 𝗏𝗏 command. And here also we'll be able to see the syntax for the command. Either we can give sh space ver or any of these letters. It will be able to identify the command and redirect to this particular parser. Based on the device type, it will redirect to the respective parsers. And if we look for the file, let us search for the TextFSM file. You can see this is using pure regex logic for parsing the command output. We'll be getting all these data from the 𝗏𝗏 output. For example, we'll take host name. Most of the time, host name space uptime, it will be coming in this format. You can verify that from the device. We'll log into the device. I'll execute 𝗏𝗏 and the host name is R2, and after that we are getting uptime. And if you look into this logic, so it is taking all the strings before uptime. Here /s means space character, so n number of space character. After that it is waiting for uptime, and after that it is taking uptime data. And then if you want to see the uptime years, weeks, all these also it is trying to take from 𝗏𝗏 output. So it is using pure regex logic for parsing the data. Even you can create your own TextFSM parser template for parsing specific output. So here they have already created templates for some of the network devices. Now we'll see how to use this. I'll go to VS Code. Here I'll take a copy of the previous logic, put it into this file, and I'll delete these statements, and we can take either this or this output. We'll take the set fact. Here we'll be getting the exact parsed data. So I'll give 𝗏𝗏, and here we need to change the parser name to NTC_templates. I will save the file. Before running the playbook, we can verify the Python directory. I'm currently using 𝗏 demo environment, and inside Python 3.10, here we don't have any NTC templates or TextFSM available. So we'll get an error saying that we don't have NTC templates available. We'll try running the playbook. Ansible playbook 0902. Enter. So it is saying we don't have this NTC templates library. I'll install NTC-templates. Enter. So now you can see this is installing even TextFSM and NTC templates. Now we'll try running this. Now this is able to parse the output, and here if you verify this with the previous document, we are getting software image version release from monitor, then hostname, uptime yes. We'll compare this with this data. So here we are getting hostname from monitor, then uptime days, uptime years, all these data we are getting. Now we'll verify the Python installation directory. Here now we will be able to see the TextFSM and NTC templates. So here now we have NTC templates. I'll open the terminal here. All the files are hidden by default. I'll give ll, and here in this directory we'll be able to see all the templates which we have seen in the GitHub repository of NTC templates. Now if you want to parse 𝗨𝗏 interface brief command, you can just change the command here and it will be able to parse the data, and both outputs are going to be different. 𝗨𝗏𝗃s will be giving detailed output. It is Cisco's own library, the 𝗔𝗂𝗋 parser. Here we'll be getting the output in a simple format. Based on the data what you need, you can use any of these libraries. Now I'll change this to 𝗨𝗏 interface brief. And here we are getting the output in this format. In 𝗨𝗏𝗃s, we had a key called interface name, and within that we were getting the data. Here it is like list of dictionaries with each interface. So based on the data format or the details you need, you can use any of these libraries. In the next tutorial, we'll see how to use TextFSM custom template for parsing the configuration output.